Penny with SwissWatchExpo looking at this Rolex Midsize Datejust, and I wanted to talk about this watch because of the crazy mother of pearl dial. The rest of the watch is classic Rolex. It's got the oyster bracelet, which is very sporty and functional. It's got the fluted bezel, which is just a great staple of the Rolex collection, but the mother of pearl dial itself I think really elevates this watch. Inside the mother of pearl, it's got these pinks and blues and purples, and it even shifts to like yellow and green and cyan. And I think that the netting-like texture that contains the Roman numeral hour markers is such an interesting and unique detail that I don't see on a lot of other watches. I think it really sets this one apart from even all the other mother of pearl dials. I think that this watch would pair well with pearl or opal jewelry, or even some kind of iridescent or holographic clothing, especially with the stainless steel bracelet would just make it such a cool and funky watch to pair with some really out there outfits and fit in just as well. So if you are looking for a watch with a gorgeous mother of pearl dial, you can check out all of our other Rolex Datejusts at SwissWatchExpo.com.